how to start a blog and make money blogging for beginners. So in this video I'm going to explain you step by step on how you could create a website and then how you could start ranking and start making money. So guys, let's get started. So the basic thing and the first thing which you need is a website. So currently I'm using a WordPress website. So as you could see, I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. They give you a free domain, free SSL. So it's very easy to install WordPress. So once you have installed that, so currently as you could see over here, so you need to decide on what you would be creating a website for. So currently as you could see, I'm using yoga, and then my website is all about yoga. So you need to first determine what is your niche. Once you determine that, then start making content about it. But the best way to make content is, first you need to find a keyword where people are searching a lot. So the best tool which I use is Ubersuggest. So it's a free keyword tool. So it's very simple to use. So all you have to do is, so let's say you decided that you want to make a website for yoga. So then you come on Ubersuggest, you can just type yoga benefits, find your keyword. Okay, so let's say you want to write about yoga benefits, so just click enter. So now as you could see, the search volume is 27,000, which is high, and the SEO difficulty, so SEO difficulty means the higher the number, the more difficult it is to rank. But then anything which is below 30 or 35 is really easy to rank. So now all you have to do is just open your notepad. Okay, write down all the keywords, even related keywords are over here. So you can just write down what is hot yoga benefits, just copy this thing, paste it, yoga benefit health, paste it. Okay, yoga benefit for men, paste it over here, and then go scroll down, Bikram yoga benefits, write down all these keywords. Okay, so let's say I'm just copying and pasting all these keywords over here. So now once you get a list of keywords, all you have to do is start writing content about it. So here you go. So now you have found this keywords. Now you just have to write content, and if you have a WordPress website, it's very easy to write content. All you have to do is just post and then add new. So let's say you're writing about what is hot yoga benefits. All you have to do is just paste over here. Okay, then you need to write your content, and then this is how you can start blogging. So once you wrote content, and then as you could see, keyword is really important. So if you select high traffic, low competition keywords, it would be very easy for you to rank on Google. So let's say I've just written a content. This is how it looks right now. It doesn't look good, but this is one content which I wrote. So as you could see over here, if I just click over here, as you could see, I've put the featured image, I've put the headlines, I've put, you know, the subtitle, the paragraphs, and then again a headline. This is H1 headline. So just headline, paragraph, picture, headline, paragraph, picture. So you're providing value to the viewer who is reading this content. That's it, guys. So once you do that, so at least write down. So if I go over here, in the beginning, every day write down one post for 3 months. Okay, once you do that, so you're going to write around 90 posts. Okay, for 3 months, every day one post. Make sure it's 1000 to 2000 words, and it's rich in images, content, and it's valuable. Don't just copy paste from the internet. Just write down content, like, you know, just you can outsource it, but then write valuable content. That's it, guys. So once you write down, you know, to 1000 to 2000 words, one post for 3 months, so at the end you will have at least 90 posts. Okay, so now this is really good. And then what you could do is, it takes time, and then you could just go on AdSense, approve. Okay, so just once you are done that, go on AdSense. Okay, register over here. That's it, guys. You can earn money from website monetization. So once you wrote 90 posts, they see if you're getting good traffic, and definitely if you're using the right keyword, you would get good traffic. And then once you get the AdSense approved, you can put the ads over here, you can put the ads over here, you can put anywhere on your website, and then you would start making money. And this is one of the ways. The second way would be, you can start doing affiliate marketing where you're selling other people's product. I think so that's it for today's video, guys. And then if you would like to learn more about this, I've created a free course on how you can get free organic website traffic to your website within 1 week, 1 day. It's very simple. Go and check it out. And Yavar Khan signing off. And if you really like this video, please consider subscribing, and I would see you in the next video because I am posting videos every day.